Hey guys, it's Mark and Carrie Ann with Eggers and Bacon.
And we have a party in the garden. So we've had some problems with some pests lately. The birds have been eating all of our seeds and plants. So we put a party in the garden. I put some pinwheels up and got to decorate a little bit. One area of the yard I never thought I'd be decorating. We put wire with stars across it, and hopefully that'll help deter some of the birds. The chickens don't really seem to be bothered by it, so that's another plus. If we put an owl out here, since the chickens are right there, we were afraid it would scare the chickens away. So we got all these supplies from the dollar store. Pretty cheap if you think about it. A nice little $5 fix for the garden. And we'll keep you guys posted on if it works or not.
So these are a couple of other products we're trying. This one is called Deer and Rabbit Mace. It's by a company called Nature's Mace. It's a veteran-owned company. It's blood meal, bone meal, and garlic for the most part. We put it down at the beginning of the week, and it seems to be working great so far. We'll throw a link down in the description. This one is blood meal, which is a fertilizer, but we figured it might kind of do the same thing. So hopefully these are do good for the rabbits, and this other stuff will do good for the birds. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching. We really appreciate every view we get, and everybody that subscribes and hits that little bell down below there for notifications. So we really appreciate everybody. Thank you guys. You guys have a great weekend.